Hey guys, Tim with Little Crow Gunworks. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just out at the range. It's Friday. It's just about 5 o'clock, and I'm just checking my zero and trying a few different rear rests with my PMPPC, my poor man's PPC, which is right here. This is a older McRee G7 chassis. Again, Savage action, straight taper, 28-inch Excalibur barrel, 1 and 220 straight, 9 twist. Shooting our Speer 77 or 70 grain TNT rather. I just came out to check my zero. We got our local Varmint Match tomorrow morning. I might try to record some of the round heads there tomorrow, some of the round heads that show up for that, and give you guys a little glimpse into the how much we value precision in our little circle, in our little part of the world. But I was out here just checking my zero, and I threw some 5-shot groups down here. I thought I would just see where my zero is, because it's a 200-yard match that we're shooting tomorrow, and I'm only at 100 yards, so I wanted to see where it was and try a few different rear rests and see which one I'm going to use in the morning. But this last rest that I tested, this could be a whole video in and of itself, but I'll show you guys the groups that I shot here. So just coming up to the target here. This is, okay, so this is all the same load, but these are different rests. Just rear rest, just the rear rest is different. Everything else is the same. These are all 5-shot groups, right? Bingo! Look at that little guy. 5 bullets in that hole. I got a tape measure here. I need calipers because this group is so small that I need calipers to measure it, but we'll just, for giggles, we'll just do it with the tape measure here. About center to center. That is about a 1/4 inch. Maybe a hair under. 5-shot group. PMPPC. Savage action, Excalibur barrel, cheap Speer 70 grain TNTs, Vihtavuori powder, range pickup brass, federal brass I found off the ground at this range. Unreal, guys. Again, you want one of these, give us a call. We'll be happy to build you a PMPPC, and I'll provide the load data free of charge. Have a good weekend, guys.